Hey guys, out here working in the yard, and I found a perfect example of plantain, broadleaf plantain. I'll show you how to identify it. The younger leaves are much better. Older leaves are a little bit more bitter. Everybody loves plantain, even Mr. Toad. Go on. There we go. Okay. Plantain is an interesting herb or plant that's been considered and used medicinally for a very long time. You'll notice this is broadleaf plantain. You can see the seed heads on it. There's Mr. Toad again. And the cool thing about these, let's pull this up and take a look at it. One of the good identifying is it has these fibrous veins, and if you separate it gently, you can pull them out. That's a good indicator. It's a low-growing rosette perennial. Here are the seed heads. There we go, we're back in focus. So these things are really good. How is it used in medicine? Well, let's get into it. All right, guys, seed head. Traditionally, it's been used in medicine for minor cuts, abrasions, insect bites, things of that nature. Topically, think topically, but it is an edible. It's good in salads when the leaves are young. Again, you see those veins on the back of it? Let's knock the dirt off of it. So it's really good. The older, larger leaves are tougher and more bitter. So you really want to avoid those when you're putting them in like a salad or anything like that. But you can grab a handful of these and say you have a bug bite on your arm. Right there actually. Rub a little bit on there and it helps. You could actually chew it up, place a small amount on it. Helps with infection, stuff like that. Again, this is a topical use. Before you do this though, you always want to check and make sure you know what the plant looks like, what it is, and make sure that you might be that 1 in 1 million person who is sensitive to it. So do a little test area, do it on a finger, something like that, back of your wrist, and then watch it for a little bit and see. This is a good example of the root system that they have. They'll have a larger, thicker taproot right there that can grow pretty long as they mature. But in a pinch, these things are edible. Give you a little bit of vitamins and minerals. So that is broadleaf plantain. Again, you can see these are the young plants. They'll eventually grow into little clumps like this. You can see we have a lot of it around here on this side of the property. I had a lot more prettier ones, but I cut grass, so that's the way it is. Anyway, guys, I just wanted to show you this one. This is another good medicinal herb growing in your yard that people spray. Don't spray them. Keep learning, keep testing, keep building more self-reliant life. Take care of you people.